Okay, why I think 2024 is the best time to invest in cryptocurrency. Let me explain to you why. So 2024, already in 21st of January now. So Bitcoin, I have a lot of questions after the ETF. Why is it selling off right here? Speculation. Nobody said that after the ETF is exactly going to go up like a straight line. Nobody said that, right? But if you look at the price action right here at the moment, currently we had 1 week of selling, and then now we got doji right here. So that's the doji bar right there. So buyers trying to step back in. If you look at the daily bar, a perfect example is to look at that. Look at the Friday bar. One last selling, and now we're holding back at this soft level around the 40,000 area. Could it drop? If it can't defend, yeah, fine, no problem. We'll probably see around 38,000, 40,000 area, and I'm happy to accumulate. But I'm done buying Bitcoin. If you follow my channel, you know that I have been buying Bitcoin last year since around the 20-something thousand. So I'm happy to hold on to it. Ethereum wise is looking more bullish actually. I mean, look, it's still holding the support area right here, 2,400, barely any selling. Still, very much like a battle between buy and sellers. So buyers not giving up, a bit of selling after the ETF, but nothing major at the moment. So plan has not changed. I'm still happy to hold on to my position. The rest of the cryptocurrency, Ripple, I mean, it's just doing a Ripple thing. I'm happy. I have some, not a huge amount. I like to see this little trend line break though. Break above the 65, really smash through the 90 cents mark now. I like to see that. Litecoin as well, likewise, is holding, making a base around this area here. So but looking at the crypto stocks is more the things that I like. If you look at Coinbase, really are smashing through weekly, are making beautiful trends. So higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Selling is contained. I like to see this smash through this 220, stay above, and then eventually that. But obviously it's gonna never go on a straight line anyway, but it's investment, so I'm happy to hold on to my position for a period of time. And don't forget, the Bitcoin halving this year is Bitcoin halving in around the 22nd of here's the day, 22nd of April, if you can see on this website right here. So around this time that we will see the halving day. And if you look back at history, each time the white line represents the halving day. The first one is 2012. After the halving, price smash up, but before halving, we do have a little, wobble around or little correction. 2016, yeah, if you look at that as well, we had a little consolidation, a little dip, and then go. 2020, before that, we had a dip, and then boom, off we went. So could we have a little dip, or could this be done? Anything could happen, but I'm happy with the investment in here. And after the halving, I'm expecting a bullish run. And the main differences this time is the Bitcoin ETF, the cash ETF. You can see a lot of big player, Investo, BlackRock, those kind of thing, big rise. So a lot of big players are joining the party. So fundamental, I'm happy to continue with my investment. Do you guys agree with my plan, or do you guys have any question? Drop us a comment. Thanks again for watching. Take care.